good a place as any. Perhaps it's the most popular square in Rhodes. Also famous on a film back in the late 70s. But I'll leave you to make a comment on what you think it is. Whoa. Now that was something, wasn't it, eh? And I'm going to take you to some really nice places to eat, to drink, and with a little bit of luck, I say a little bit of luck, you may even be able to go into them.
Probably is. It sounds like
Yeah. By the way, if you're looking for a beginner's guide to Rhodes, check out the link you can see there in the top right hand corner, or as they say in the description below, because that'll give you a really good grounding into the basics of Rhodes, especially if you're a first time visitor. Now, I want to show you this place here. It's a bakery, but it's a bakery that I go to every time I'm here. They've got fantastic pita, pies in Greek, spanakopita with spinach, tiriopita with cheese. Definitely recommend you go here. Prices are really good as well, and the staff are lovely. But I'm going to take you up the side street here to show you a couple of lovely places to eat. And I mean that. These are places where, I was going to say I go, but appreciate that might not convince you. But it's where the locals go as well. So let's take a look at the first one coming up. Look at that.
Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. We really don't got to California. What a nice surprise. Bring around the wires.
That was lovely, wasn't it? Absolutely lovely. Now, coming up here, I cannot recommend this place high enough here in Rhodes. MELI. MELI actually is the Greek word for honey. I've eaten here loads of times. It's absolutely fantastic. Everything is spitiko or spitiki, home cooked. The chap here, the owner, Antonis or Antonis, he and the chef put in so much effort to give you a really, truly home cooked experience. MELI is the name. It's on Google, it's on Facebook. Definitely recommend it. It's one of my top 3 places in Rhodes to go. Okay, that's the first one I wanted to show you. Yeah. A couple of more places I want to show you just coming up. In fact, there's one we've just eaten. It's a really nice place. Highly recommend it. I'll show you in a second what it is. Doesn't look much when you actually look at the sign. Okay. STReat Coffee and more. It's really nice. As I said, we've just eaten there. There's my partner over in the distance over there. She can't see. She's being filmed. Which is a good thing. It's a good thing. Yes, Gelateria, sir. But it is a lovely place. It's really nice. Had the usual here: variatiki, Greek salad, hummus, tzatziki. Really nice. The hummus looks as though they put in a bit of paprika in it, which adds a nice flavour. So it's I really recommend this place. Ifarasto, Nasta Kala. Would definitely recommend it. Next. Here's another place. Let me get out of the way here. The chefs are really busy. One here, very traditional. Really nice. Really nice. This is Pescadoro. Lovely fish here, really traditional. Let's wander around here. There's another one just down here. Also eating at this here. Coming up to is SARRIS. SARRIS. In fact, the most recent time, it was today. Very late breakfast, I suppose a brunch. And we had a very traditional Greek delicacy. Sorry, that's the first blooper. Delicacy. A banana split. There you go. SARRIS, yes. Definitely recommend it. Here's the owner here on the right. Really nice guy. Kalispera. Really nice guy. Γεια σας. Καλησπέρα, τι κάνεις?
Μια χαρά, εσείς?
Είμαι καλά, ευχαριστώ.
Όλα καλά?
Ναι, πολύ λίγο, ευχαριστώ.
Διακοπές.
Να είστε καλά.
Παρακαλώ.
I love the Greek language. I'm no expert, but I love the fact you can learn so much every day. So, another one I want to show you here. It's not too bad. It's about in my top 6 or 7. Taverna Alexis. It's very nice, very quiet. Can be a little bit pricey, but you're paying for some really good people watching. Let's continue. Now, here's something for you. 2 things. If you're into, I say, ice cream or gelato, this is one of the best places to come. Okay? Really nice. All sorts of stuff. Everything for adults, everything for kids. And if you're a big fan of Nutella, they'll throw that in anything. Really lovely ice cream. The other thing I want to show you is Rubisco. Lovely, amazing juices. Everything you can think of, they will make, and they've also got some specialities here. Really friendly staff. Good prices as well. Very good prices. Now this is something. Whether you're into, is it hookah, shisha? Not very up on the latest trends on here. But the reason why I'm showing you this, even though it's like a bar on that, is it comes from it's around about situated on the 14th or 15th century. So obviously it's been around here quite a while. I'm pretty sure it's the 14th century. Really nice place, lovely inside. You don't have to go in and smoke. Got some nice interesting beers as well. Oh, it's getting dark now, isn't it? Now, let's start with some of these on here. Now we're in perhaps the most touristy area for food. It doesn't mean to say that everything you're going to get is microwaved. Okay? As with anything else, use your judgment. I often get asked where are the best places to eat in. The best answer I can give is go where the locals go. If you can tell there's Greek locals there, go there. But these are generally okay. And many of them will have rooftop bars on there. So another one here, Colonna, family Greek restaurant, steakhouse, pizza, pasta, each to their own, isn't it? Now we've got another gelato, the posh ice cream, but also as well in front of us there we've got Hansel and Gretel. Now Hansel and Gretel, all sorts of things, ice creams, cones, they've got places everywhere. They're in Kos, big place in Athens, just on the edge of Monastiraki Square. Highly recommend you go there. And let's just go on a little bit more. And I'll go over to a lovely place, lovely area. Again, it's shaded by trees. Trust me, when you're walking around a lot, especially in the day, it's a good place to go and get some shade. By the way, this chap on the right, he is amazing. This guy is so talented. He can do all sorts of things, from photograph, you can send him things via Bluetooth, what have you. So, first one I want to show you, he says, stalling for time, is one right ahead of you there. Okay, really, really lovely place, lovely rooftop bar, a couple of floors up, worth it. And again, still stalling for time what it is. So, really, really nice. He says, and he can't remember the name of it. You know where it is, I'm showing you it. Now, this is the area that I mentioned. It's really nice. This here, I'll show you a much smaller place. It doesn't really open till late, although it is open in early mornings. You can get some lovely shade here. Really nice. Little mini market there. I wouldn't say it was a mini market. I would say it's a very, very small micro mini market. But you can grab some stuff. Now here's something. I know it doesn't look busy, but it tends to get filled very quickly with locals. Sparta. Really nice. They do a great Aliniko. Greek coffee. And I'm looking for him, he's not here. The chap who runs it, oldish guy. Can you say oldish now? Oh, he's in his 70s, 80s, and he has a typical Greek little sailor hat, and he runs the place, but he's a really good character. Now, here's a nice one. If you want to treat your partner one evening, Ippotikon. Really, really nice. A little bit pricey. They've also got, as you can see on the first floor, and you can actually go further as well and go on to the next floor. Now, I've eaten here once, twice. I've eaten here 3 times. I thought it was 4 times. I've eaten here 3 times. I really recommend it. The things they do on and it's that special thing that Greeks give you. You know, they're so welcoming. Anyway, Eros, another great restaurant. Game doesn't get filled until around about 9:30. It's nice. And then of course you've got La Veranda. Not Greek, but they do Greek food there. Great views. Fairly romantic. So there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed that evening walk with me. Made some notes on places you'd like to go and eat and drink. Obviously, if you've got any questions, anything at all, stick them in the comments below, because I will get back to you. So thanks very much for taking the time to walk with me. And one last thing, don't forget, go explore Greece.